Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin Nemick and I was Miss Tempe, but was just crowned Miss Arizona 2016 and will go on to compete at Miss America Live September 11th on ABC. My platform is Bullying Stops Here. STOPS is an acronym for my 5 steps. Stand up, take action, open up, protect yourself, and speak out. I go in and speak to people about my story, statistics, and those 5 steps and how they can use those to end bullying in their life. I have a curriculum for kids of all ages, parents, teachers, administrators, and I also talk about the link between child abuse, domestic violence, and bullying. So I work with a lot of school districts here in the Valley, as well as police departments, and I do a lot of speaking engagements all around the state. And so now that I've partnered with the Winged Hope Family Advocacy Foundation to spearhead this campaign all across the state, I'm able to reach so many kids who are just like me, to give them hope to know that they're not alone and the bullying's gonna stop, and we're gonna give them the tools to do that. As Miss Tempe, I've gotten to do a lot with Arizona State University because the Miss America organization is the largest scholarship provider for women in the world. I was able to finance my undergraduate degree and graduate debt-free because of the Miss America organization and other scholarships. So I've been able to do a lot with ASU. And I've also been able to do a lot with the Tempe Chamber of Commerce and then the Tempe City Council, as well as Tempe Police and ASU Police. It's really been a collaborative effort that I hope to continue as Miss Arizona.